Hi, I'm Brian Murphy, the founder of the Smith Island Baking Company with some exciting news. But first, some backdrop. In 2009, we founded the Smith Island Baking Company on a tiny island and set out with the ambitious goal of making America's premier bakery. Customers are amazing, our reach is nationwide, and we're really proud of what we've done. The Smith Island cake has always brought out the best in people, and it's always brought people together, and we are proud to be custodians of this treasure. But the last few years have been really tough. Inflation has hurt our customers because our prices are up and our shipping is very expensive. Today we're announcing a partnership with Goldbelly that's going to benefit everyone. Goldbelly is America's premier marketplace. They're the place to go for boutique and amazing food and shipping nationwide. Together we're going to offer lower prices and better shipping rates. Now during this transition, there might be a few inconveniences. The website's going to look a little bit different, the products are the same, but you might have to log in, create a new password, and a few things like that. And I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but there's really no good way to move your confidential information from one system to another. But that being said, I'm really sorry. I don't want to inconvenience our customers because you're like our family. But the benefits are going to be significant. Not only are our prices lower, but now nationwide shipping's included. Give a birthday in California, Texas, Arizona, New Mexico, Seattle, anywhere in the country, order with confidence, it'll get there tomorrow at no additional charge. Just think about that. Smith Island cakes have always brought people together, and we're excited about this next chapter. But please know our commitment to our people, our products, and our processes will never change. And our commitments to our customers is as strong as ever. So we're excited about this next chapter with Goldbelly, and we look forward to serving you and your loved ones. Thank you.